This is a consonant sound. You can hear it at the beginning of the words wet and one and when, and in the middle of the word beware. You can also hear it in the words quick and queen. Now let's practice. Listen and repeat. Wet. One. When. Beware. Quick. Queen. Okay. For speakers of some languages, it may be difficult to tell the difference between this sound, which you find at the beginning of the word wet, and another sound, which you find at the beginning of the word vet. Now listen carefully as I say these words, and watch my lips. Wet, vet, wet, vet. Now you try. Listen, watch, and repeat. Wet, vet. Now let's look at some more examples. Listen first and watch my lips. Worse, verse, while, vile, west, vest, wary, vary. Now you try. Listen and repeat. Worse, verse, while, vile, west, vest, wary, vary. Okay.